You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is h equals -1. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group all h terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 3h from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 4 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the h. Divide both sides by -4. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is h equals -1.